Good morning. In the integers, the next topic is addition of integers. So addition of integers on the number line, that is with the use of number line, and without using the number line also we can add the integers. So going to addition of integers, we have the procedure. So what is the procedure? So in the procedure we have the 4 steps. So first we see these 4 steps. After that we'll see the problems of addition of integers. Okay. So the first step is draw a number line and mark integers on it. So while I am adding the integers are positive or negative, whatever you will give. So going to adding the integers, first we have to draw the number line. So already in the previous topic we learned. So what is the number line? How we have to take the number line also. So when after take the number line, so we have to mark the integers on it. So that is again taking. So that is one number line. So middle of the line I am taking the 0. And the right side you have to take the positive integers 1, 2, 3, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 like that. And here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to so on. Okay, these are integers. And after that, the second step is start from the point, represent the first number on the number line. Okay, so while I am given the 3 plus 2 for example. So 3 plus 2 is nothing but here. So first number is what here? 3. So these 3 you have to represent on the number line. What we take in the number line. So on the number line, first you have to mark the first number. And third step is move as many units as the second number to the if the second number is positive, then the right of the first number. If the second number is negative, the left of the first number. For example, I am taking here, only I am taking the example. So 3 plus 1, 3 plus minus 1 I am taking. Okay. See, 3 we have to mark already. So 3 we mark here. I am extending the line here up to 4, 5 like that. And 3 plus 1 is, the first number is here 3. So we mark here 3. And plus 1 is which type of number? Positive integer. When you have positive number, from the 3 you have to move the right side. How many we have here? 1. So that's why you have to move the 1 unit, 1 step only. So then here 1. So that's why 3, 2, 4 is 1. So 4 is a required answer. For example, 3 plus minus 1. So for the 3 adding minus 1. Minus 1 is a negative integer. When adding the negative integer, so you have to move the left side. As how many units here? 1 unit is given. So from the 3, left side you have to move how many units? Here 1 is given. So that's why we moved here 1 unit. So when we moved 1 unit, we stopped at 2. So therefore 3 plus of minus 1 equal to 2 is the answer. Okay. For example, I am taking what is the 3 plus minus 3 I am taking. 3 plus minus 3. 3 plus minus 3 is for 3 adding minus 3. So for 3, first number is 3. So we started at 3 only. And adding negative 3. Negative 3 is from the 3 you have to move the left side only, not right side. Here if you have here positive, then you have to move to right side. Here negative, then you have to move to left side to the first number. First number 3, you have to move 3 steps, 3 units to the left side. Why left side? He given the negative sign, negative of 3. So 3 steps you have to move, 3 units, 1, 2, 3. So when we moved 3 steps we stopped at 0. So therefore 3 place of minus 3 equal to 0. So finally what I am saying, if the second number is positive, you have to move to right side. If the second number is negative, you have to move to left side of the first number. Okay, so when we move, where will stop, that is a required answer. This number represents the required sum of the given integers. Where will stop, that represents the required sum of the given integers. So here 3 plus of minus 3. So where we stopped here when we did here 0. So 0 is a required sum of these two integers. Sum of 3 and minus 3. Okay now? Now next, rules for addition of integers. In the previous we added the integers with the help of number line. So now without using the number line also we can add the integers. So going to add the integers, we have some rules. So which sign we have to take, how we have to add. So like that we have the rules. So now I am taking. The first rule is to add two positive integers, or two negative integers. We add their absolute values and assign the sign only. So going to this one, what is the absolute value? So value of any, for example I am taking minus 2. So absolute of minus 2 is nothing but only 2. For example, if you have 2, absolute value of 2 is nothing but 2 only. That is indirectly absolute nothing but here. If you have any value, what is the plus or minus, you have to leave the sign. And write the number. So that is indirectly will get positive only. If you have positive, will get positive. If you have negative also, will get a negative value. If you have negative, will get positive only. Positive is nothing but here 2 only will get here. For example, absolute value of minus 99. Absolute value of minus 99 is nothing, 99 only. Okay. Now taking the two positive integers. While taking the two positive integer, for example I am taking 2 plus 9. So 2 plus 9 is nothing but here 2 is a positive and 9 is also positive. So 2, 9 is nothing but here 11 I am taking. So both have positive sign only, we will take positive. So there is no difference, that is we have to take here minus or plus. So we have both have positive, then you have to take the positive only. For the result also you have to take positive. So plus 11 is nothing but 11. For example, I am taking 99 plus what is 16 I am taking. 99, 16. So 99 is nothing but here indirectly plus 99 plus 16. Here observe both are same sign. If both are same sign, just you have to add only. So 99, 16. 9, 6 is 15. Okay. Here 1, 9, 10, 11. So 115. So for the 115, you have to take positive only because they are both have positive only. So then plus 115. Plus 115 can be written as only 115. For example, if you have two negative integers, so for example minus 5 and plus minus 4. Minus 5 plus minus 4. We adding two negative integers. While adding two negative integers, first leave the sign. When leaved, we will get what here 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is nothing but here 9 only. Both which have sign, both integers have negative sign, so just to take the negative. So therefore minus 5 plus minus 4 is minus 9. For example, another I am taking minus 15 plus minus 4. Minus 15 plus minus 4. Minus 15, minus 4, both are negative integers adding here. Both negative numbers adding. So while adding, so leave the sign here. When leave do, you got here 15, 4. 15 plus 4 is a 19. Both have this sign minus, so just take the minus 19. But minus 19 don't take as a 19. Minus 19, 19, both are different values. If you have positive only, plus 11 can be written as 11 only. 11 also. But minus 19 it is not equal to 19. Minus 19 you have to take only minus 19. The next second rule is to add a positive and a negative integer. Take the difference of their absolute values and assign the sign of added having which have greater value. Which have greater value. Further, I am taking example. What is a 9 minus 11 I am taking. Simple example I am taking. 9 minus 11. So here 9 is a positive, 11 is a negative. And here adding, that's why I am taking here. So what is a 9 plus minus 11? This can be written as like this also. I will tell you later how we will get. 9 plus minus 11. 9 positive, minus 11 negative. So adding these two. So while adding positive negative, which number will get, which sign will get here? So going to this one, while having opposite sign, here plus, here minus. While having opposite signs, different signs, you have to subtract the numbers. Subtract means here 11 here, here 9. Bigger number minus smaller number only we have to subtract. 11 minus 9. So 11 minus 9 is 2 only. 11 minus 9 is a 2. So in the 9 and 11, which one is the greater value? Which one is the bigger value? 11 is the bigger value. So for the bigger or greater value, which sign assigned here? Minus. So this sign here also we have to take here. That is indirectly 9 plus minus 11 is minus 2. I am taking another example. What is a minus 99 plus 9 taking? Minus 99 plus 9. Here also one is a negative and another one is a positive. 9 is a positive. Negative integer, positive integer adding. So while adding, here both are opposite sign. Here minus, here plus. So 9 is nothing but plus 9 only. So while have the opposite sign, you have to subtract. You have to take the difference of the two numbers. So difference is here 99, here 9. So from the 99 you have to subtract the value 9. So 99 minus 9 is nothing but 90. And in the given two numbers, which value is greater value? So 99 is a greater value. Further 99, which sign have here? Minus. So this minus here also you have to take. So therefore minus 99 plus 9 is minus 90 is the answer. Okay. Taking another 25 minus 25 plus 50 I am taking. Minus 25 plus 50. Here also one is negative and here 50 is nothing but plus 50 only. That is a positive. So negative integer, positive integer adding. While adding, first what is the rule here? Just subtract the integers only. So subtract is here 25, here 50. So 50 is a greater value. 50 minus 25. 50 minus 25 is nothing but here 25. In the given two numbers, 50 is a greater value. For the greater value, which sign have here? Plus. So therefore, plus 25 will get here. So plus 25 is nothing but here 25 is the answer. Now the problems of 6.2 exercise, second exercise. So in that the first problem is using the number line. Using the number line, write the integer which is using the number line only. So here 4 problems. So for that he asked the number line only. That's why first I am taking the number line here. So already I said there is a number line in the between. I am taking the 0. So right side we have to take as the positive integers 1, 2, 3 up to so on 10 I am taking. And here left side we have to take the negative integers. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 like that I am taking. The first one is 3 more than 5. 3 more. More is nothing but here plus 3 more than 5. That is 5. 3 plus 3. 3 more than 5. So after 5 you have to count here 3 more than. So that's why first I am pointing the 5 here in the number line. 1, 2, 3, 5 here have, and 3 more. More is nothing but, so from the 5 you have to move to right side. More is nothing but plus only. So plus is nothing but plus 3. So plus 3 is right side you have to move. How many steps you have to move? 3 steps. Here 1, 2 and 3. Where I stop here? 8. So therefore 5 plus 3 or 3 more than 5 is 8. Answer. Next, 5 more than minus 5. From the minus 5, more than 5 steps you have to move. How many steps? 5 steps you have to move to positive side only. Why you have to positive? Because he given more. More is nothing but plus. So from the minus 5 you have to move the 5 steps. More is nothing but plus 5. More is nothing but plus. So then minus 5 where here? From the minus 5. So minus 5, minus 1, 2, 3 up to so on minus 5. From the minus 5 you have to move the 5 steps to the right side because more is given. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where I stop here? At 0. So therefore minus 5 plus 5 equal to 0 only. So don't take directly answer because he asked with the use of number line only. So that's why for every problem you have to draw this one. For every problem you have to draw the number line and point out. So what is a minus 5? So how many steps we moved, where we stopped. So like that you have to draw this one. Next to C. 6 less than 2. So less than, which value less than? 2, 6, less is nothing but here minus. So less is nothing but here negative side. So negative is nothing but here. So left side you have to move. So more is nothing but positive side. Less is nothing but here left side you have to move. Where from? From 2. So 2 is here. 2 is here. 6 steps you have to move to left side because less than. 6 less than 2. So from the 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many steps here? We moved to left side 6 steps. So where we stop here? Minus 4. So therefore 2 minus 4 is minus 4. So without using number line also we will get minus 4 only. But he mentioned number line. That's why must you have to draw the number line. Last one. 3 less than minus 2. So from the minus 2 you have to less how much? 3. So then minus 2 less is a negative. Negative how much here? 3. How much? 3. So from the minus 2, here 3 values you have to move to left side because here less value. So from the minus 2, 1, 2, 3. So where we stopped at? Minus 5. Therefore minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. So clearly you have to understand what here more is from the number you have to move to right side. less is from the number, from the given number you have to move to left side. Okay. Second bit, use the number line and add these integers. So in the second bit also we mention the number line, so that's why I taken the number line. So origin 0 and positive integers, negative integers. The first one, 9 plus minus 6. 9 plus minus 6 is from the 9 you have to move the left side because he given the negative. Whenever he given the negative you have to move to left side. Whenever the positive you have to move to right side. So from the 9. So where 9? From the 9 is here 9. Here 9. So how many steps you have to move? 6 steps to the left side because here minus. So 6 steps is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When we moved to left side 6 steps, we stopped at 3 only. So therefore 9 plus minus 6 is nothing but 3 is the answer. So for this is a required the number line. Next, second, 5 plus minus 11. So 5 plus minus 11 is from the 5 you have to move the left side. Here also left side because he given the negative. How many steps you have to move? 11 steps, 11 units you have to move to the left side. So 5 is here. From the 5 you have to move to left side 11 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. When we move 11 steps to the left side, when we move to the left side, how many steps? 11 steps. We stop at minus 6, not 6, minus 6. So therefore 5 plus minus 11 is answer minus 6. Okay. Next, see, minus 1 plus minus 7. From the minus 1 we have to move left side only because in this also given the negative. So 7 steps we have to move. So minus 1 here, minus 1 here. From the minus 1 you have to move to left side 7 steps. So minus 1, 1, minus 1 to minus 2, 1. Here to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When we move left side 7 steps, we stop at minus 8. So therefore minus 1 plus minus 7 is answer minus 8. Next to D. Minus 5 plus 10. We have to start at minus 5. We have to move to the right side only because here 10. 10 is positive, plus 10, positive integer. When you given the when adding the positive integer, you have to move to right side. How many steps is given? 10. So 10 units you have to move. So minus 5 here, minus 5 here, you have to move to right side 10 steps. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when we move minus 5 to right side 10 steps, we stopped at 5 only. We stopped at 5. So therefore minus 5 plus 10 is 5 only. Only positive, then right side, negative, then left side. Next E problem. Minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. So then here for the minus 1 you have to add minus 2. Minus 2 is from the minus 1 you have to move to left side only. You have to move to left side. How many steps you have to move? 2 steps you have to move. For the result, when adding these two, we'll get some result. So for this result also, from this result also, you have to move 3 steps to the left side only, because here also given the negative. When you have negative, left side; when you have positive, right side. So then first started at -1. So -1 is here. From the -1, left side 2 units. Here to here 1, here to here 1, 1, 2. When we move 2 steps to the left side, we stopped at -3, and from the -3 again we have to move the 3 steps to the left side only, because he mentioned the negative. So here 1, 2, 3. When we move to left side, 3 steps again, because left side again by here negative. When we moved, we stopped at -6. So therefore the required answer is -6. That is -1 plus -2 plus -3 is -6. Next, F. -2 plus 8 plus -4. Here we have to start at -2. F column, -2 plus 8 plus -4. -2, from the -2 plus 8 is, from the -2 you have to move to right side 8 steps, 8 units. From this result, after got some result here, from this result you have to move to left side, because he mentioned the negative. From this result you have to move to left side. How many units here? 4 units you have to move. So then I am started at -2. So -2 here. From the -2 you have to move to right side, because plus 8 units we have to move. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When we move to right side, 8 steps we stopped at 6. We stopped at 6. That is -2 plus 8 is a 6 answer. For the 6, from the 6 you have to move to left side. You have to move to left side. How many units here? 4 units. How many? 4. So from the 6 again I am taking 4 to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we move to left side, 4 units, we stopped at 2 only, positive 2. So therefore for the total result is 2. Okay. The third column, add the integers without using the number line. In the previous bit we added with the using of number line. Here without using the number line. The first one, 11 plus -7. Here 11 is nothing but plus, 7 have negative. Here plus sign, here negative sign. That is plus and minus are both are opposite. So when have different signs, opposite sign, you have to subtract the two integers. So subtract the two integers is first to leaving the sign. So here 11, here 7. So 11 minus 7 I am taking first. So 11 minus 7 is nothing but here how much will get here? 4. 11 minus 7 is 4, and in these two integers 11 is the highest, 11 is the bigger value. So for the bigger value, this sign have here plus sign only. So therefore plus 4 is the right answer, otherwise 4 is also right answer. So plus 4 can be written as 4 also. Okay. Next, minus 13 plus 18. Here minus, here plus. Only one thing you have to remember, when you have same sign, just add, take the sign, same sign. When you have different signs like plus, minus, minus, plus, you have to subtract that two integers. You have to subtract that two integers After that, which have the bigger value, which have the which sign allotted, which sign is given the to the bigger value, that sign only you have to take. So minus 13 plus 18. So subtracting first. Here bigger value 18 and 13. 18 minus 13, 5. So here 18 is the bigger value. For the bigger value, given the sign plus. So plus 5 I am taking. Plus 5 is nothing but 5 only. Next, minus 10 plus 19. So minus 10 plus 19 in this here opposite signs here also. Whenever opposite sign, here 10, here 19. 19 minus 10 is 9 only. 19 minus 10 is 9. In this 19 is the highest. For the highest a bigger value, assign the sign plus. So then plus 9 is the answer. So plus 9 is nothing but 9 only. Next, the problem minus 250 plus 150. So here also in the D problem also minus plus negative integer, positive integer adding. When have negative, positive, you have to subtract that two integers. So subtracting is nothing but first here 250, here 150. 250 minus 150, how much? 100. 250 minus 150 is 100. In these two numbers, 250 is a bigger value. So for the bigger value, assign the negative sign. So this sign I am taking here also. That is minus 250 plus 150. Answer is minus 100. Next, E. Minus 380 plus minus 270. Here minus, here also minus. Both are negative. So both are negative. When have same sign, plus or minus. When have same sign, just you have to add the two integers. When adding the two integers, here 380, 270. Here 0, here 0. 0, 7, 8, 15. Here 1, 3, here 3, 6. So therefore 380, 270 is 650. For these two integers assigned the minus sign. So for the result also you will take the minus sign. Next, F. Minus 217 plus minus 100. Here adding, but which integers adding? Minus. So when have negative, both have negative also, you have to add that two integers. So then when adding, here 7, here 1 so 0, 7 plus 0, 7, here 1, here 0, 1 plus 0, 1, here 2, here 1, 2 plus 1 is a 3. For both two integer assigned minus only. So therefore for the result also you have take minus. So minus 217 plus minus 100 is minus 317. Next, fourth bit, find the sum of, in this first one, 137 and minus 354. So he given you like this. So I am taking the mathematical expression for this, and is sum. Sum is plus only 137 sum plus how much you have to add here? Minus 354. So 137 plus minus 354. Here 130 for the minus 1, for the 137 have the plus, for the 354 have minus. So both are opposite signs, different signs. So when have opposite signs, then you have to subtract the numbers. So subtract means here 354, here 137. 354 is bigger, here smaller. So then I am taking 354, 137, subtract. By subtracting, both are opposite signs. Here 4 minus 7 not possible, then taking here borrow. So 14 minus 7 is a 7. Here 4. 4 minus 3 is a 1. Here 3 only, 3 minus 1 is a 2. So therefore for this result is a 217. But 217 is not right. Here for the 354 is a bigger value. So for the 354 which sign have minus, so therefore we will get minus 217. So that is 137 plus minus 354 is minus 217. Next second, minus 52 and 52. Minus 52 sum is plus 52. So whatever he given the values, he given the same values but different signs here. Here minus 52 is nothing but here plus only. Plus 52, positive 52. So when have same quantity, same value, opposite sign here plus, here minus. So when have opposite, then you have to subtract. 52 minus 52 is a 0 only. So when have same quantity is the same and the different signs, so then we get here 0, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, minus 100 plus 100. So that is all are will get here 0. Next, minus 312, 39 and 192. For this I am taking the expression minus 312 and 39 is a positive and 192 is a also positive. So given the three integers, negative, first one is a negative and this is a positive, this is a positive. When how like this, so first we have to add these positive integers. So here both, here one is a negative and these two are the positive. So this is one method. So minus 312 I am taking as this. While adding these two, by adding both have same sign, plus only. Here 2, here 9. So 9 2 is 11, 11, 10, 10 here 3, 13 and 1 1 2. So while adding these two, we got here 231. And for the result 231 and minus 312 you have to add. So here plus, here minus, here plus. Again opposite signs here. When how opposite you have to subtract. So how much 312 and 231 you have to subtract. When subtracting 2 minus 1, 1. Here 1 minus 3 not possible, taking borrow. And what is that 10, 3, 7, 7, 1, 8. And here 2 only have, well taking here borrow, 2 minus 2, 0. So therefore the answer is 81. But not 81 here, here minus will get, because in the 231, 312, 312 is a bigger value. For the bigger value assign the minus sign, so we will get minus 81. What I am saying, when you given the three numbers, three integers, first you have to add the same integer, same which numbers have, which integers have same sign, and after that you do the subtract or addition. So the next number, next integer, last one, minus 50, minus 200 plus 300. What we have to do? Sum only. Minus 50, sum is a plus, minus 200 and 300. In these two negative integers, one is positive. While taking, so as a previous problem we followed, in this method, adding first two negative integers. While adding these two negative integers, what is the play of 50 here, 200. 50, 200 is a 250. Both have which sign? Minus only. So while adding these two, we got minus 250 plus 300 is a 300. And in this result, here minus 250 and here 300 is the positive, have opposite sign. When you have opposite sign, you have to subtract. So here 300, here 250. So 300 minus 250 is a 50. In these two integers, so 300 is a bigger value. For the bigger value, have plus. So therefore, result is a plus 50. Plus 50 can be written as 50 only. Okay. Next, fifth column. Find the sum of minus 7 plus minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. In the given column, we have 4 integers. 1, 2, 3, 4. By observation, here 2 are negative and these 2 are positive. When you have like this, first you have to add these 2 negative integers and these 2 positive integers. Okay. So while adding, here both have same sign. Just to leave the sign, adding these 2. While adding, 7 plus 9 is a 16. For these 2 have minus sign, I am assigning the minus for these 2. And plus is a plus here. And here 4, here 16. Here also both have plus, both have same sign. Adding these 2. While adding these 2, 4 plus 16 is a 20. So both have same sign, plus only. So I am taking the plus 20. Plus 20 can be written as 20. And after that, here minus 16 and here 20. Here minus, here plus only. So when you have opposite, you have to subtract that 2 integers. Here 20, here 16. 20 minus 16 is a 4. Next, in these 2 integers, 20 is a bigger value. For the bigger value, have plus only. Don't have means plus only. So the answer is plus 4. Plus 4 can be written as only 4. Okay. Next, last. 37 plus minus 2 plus minus 65 plus minus 8. In this, we given 1 is positive, 37 is plus 37 only. Here negative, here negative, here negative. So when you have negative, these 3 negative, first we have to add. So this is one of the method. So 37 I am taking as this. Okay, plus. Here leaving the signs all. When leaving, you go 2, 65, 8 we have. So what is the here? 265 is a 67. 67, 8. 67, 8 is a 75. 75. When added these 3 integers, we got 75. And these 3 integers with minus sign only. So that's why I am taking here minus. Okay, that is minus 2, minus 65, minus 8. When added, you got here minus 75. And 37 plus minus 75. Here you have to add, but here plus, here minus. When you have opposite, you have to subtract. You have to subtract. When subtracting here 75, here 37. So from the bigger number, you have to subtract the smaller number. So here I am taking 75, 37. So 5 minus 7 not possible, taking borrow. So here 10 minus 7 is a 3, 3, 5 is a 8. Next, what have we here? 6, 6 minus 3, 3. So therefore, here 38 is the answer. And in this 38 answer, here 37, 75. 75 is a bigger value. For the bigger value, this sign have minus. So minus 38 is the required answer. Thank you.